How to make a Fairstone payment online. So here's how we do it, a step-by-step guide. First, we will need to log into our Fairstone account. You can just go search for Fairstone and log in the top right corner of the page. Then you enter your email and password and just proceed with the login process. Then we will need to navigate to payments. So once we've logged in, you want to find payments or the My Account section, which will display your loan details, outstanding balance, and due dates. You want to choose your payment method. Choose the payment method you want to use. Fairstone typically accepts the following payment options, so either bank account, debit card, or credit card. You enter the payment information. You want to enter the amount you want to pay. You can either pay the full amount or make a partial payment and input your banking or card details if this is your first time making an online payment. Then we will just confirm the payment. You want to review the payment details to make sure everything is correct, and you will click on submit or confirm to complete the transaction. Afterwards, you will receive confirmation. After the payment is processed, you will receive a confirmation message or email with the details of your payment. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.